Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add Uber or connect Uber to the Android Auto app. So to do this, you need to have both of the apps installed on your mobile device and both should be updated to the current version. So again, we're not in a car right now, but as you can see here, this is Android Auto, right? So you need to install Android Auto, right? And connect your mobile device to your your car. So connect phone to your car's USB port. You need to have a USB cable, pretty much the one that you use to charge your phone. After that, complete Android Auto setup if it's needed. After that, open the Uber driver app, as you can see here, and then afterwards launch the Android Auto app on your phone. Select Android Auto icon on your car's display. Again, this isn't for every vehicle. This only that could accommodate these newer features on your vehicles. After that, find Uber driver, where you can locate and tap the Uber driver icon with Android Auto. And after that, start driving. You can use the Uber driver app through your car's display. After that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.